Alright, this is Hurricane Wisdom. I think he from the crib. This is his biggest song. I know you heard it before.
What's the name? Giannis?
I don't play cards around me. Sit behind this bitch, I dog me. Hey, I wasn't too good at math. On God, I run with problem solvers. Hey, bitch, I'm a money harlot. Two fiend, I need all of it. Bitch, leave her falling. Gotta go, money calling. 34, feel like Giannis. 30 pole, big as Giannis. Hey, niggas broke, that's beyond me. Many shots get on side me. Many hoes, I don't party. Many yo, money got it. Hit the mic, money Scotty. Many toys, niggas try me. Starbucks, Marley. I smoke money, Marley. I say fuck a foot like I won't go hit Barney. Those I look just like Barney. I live it, you record it. Daytime, we informants. Nighttime, I'm in the foreign. New bitches got deported. Why she think she important? Hey, old time, you know I ain't getting none. I like my bitches boring. She 5 and down the sun. I'm tired, I'm way too big.
I don't think he from Miami, because that don't look like Miami, though. That look like it was more up north. I don't see no Miami, like, skyscrapers yet.
I don't know.
Don't lie.
I was seeing him, like, I seen people from the crib, like, when I was down there, I seen people posting him. So that's why I don't know, but I know he's from Florida for sure.
No,
I don't know if he's from Miami.
Everybody in the background look like they from Florida.
When I get home, I just won't throw me. You already know I don't play.
No, but
what you doing with all that ass? I say come throw it on me. I know you know what I mean. Got plenty of hoes and plenty cash. Life ain't nothing but a feet. I hope you know that I don't. I don't play cards around me. Sit behind this bitch, I dog me. Hey, I wasn't too good at math. On God, I run with problem solvers. Hey, bitch, I'm a money harlot. Two fiend, I need all of it. Bitch, leave her falling. Gotta go, money calling. 34, feel like Giannis. 30 pole, big as Giannis. Hey, niggas broke, that's beyond me. Many shots get on side me. Many hoes, I don't party. Many yo, money got it.
when I first heard him, I don't know if he still make music like that, but when I first heard him, he sounded like Rod Wave to me. Not this song. This song don't sound like what I first heard.
Okay.
This song is more new.
Niggas try me.
I like that one.
This is latest questions.
Oh my God, here goes Will.
You love me, you need me. It's for the Cardo, how the fuck we playing defense? Do you trust me? Do you mean it? Baby, where your heart at? Have you seen it? No, I tend to fall back when I'm fiendish. You don't even call back, you so you don't even call back, you so evil. You run around doing showers like you famous. You don't like to show your hand, I don't need it. But who told your people that we baby, you told your people that we made it. In the coupe doorway feels like you dangerous. In the coupe doorway feels like a stylist. You don't want love, just be honest. Don't want my questions, I'll be honest. But girl, I got some questions for you. Do you love me? Do you need me? It's for the Cardo, how the fuck
like
we play
Spacey.
defense? Do you trust me? Do you mean it? Baby, where your heart at? Have you seen it? No, I tend to fall back when I'm fiendish. You don't even call back, you so you don't even call back, you so evil. You run around doing showers like you famous. But who told your people that we told your baby, you told your people that we
That wasn't bad. I like that one
That
too.
song not enough.
I ain't gonna lie.
This
I
song
felt the
need
same
to be
way. I looked
longer.
at the time. I said, "Damn."
It need to be.
It don't even feel like it was 1 minute and like 25 seconds. So. It felt like it was like 30 seconds.
Yeah, it sound like a trailer.
Yeah. Oh
What's
look,
that?
he looked young in that one.
What? This one?
Yeah, 3 years ago.
Lil Hurricane.
Should I change it to this a story about Lil Hurricane? This is a story about Lil Hurricane. Before the trips to chasing chips and all the finer things. Before they say I sold my soul to get a diamond ring. Say on my soul I never fold, no I can never change. And no Havana 854,
See what I mean?
stay the same.
I think this.
Like this the one that sound like Roddy Wave T right there?
Okay.
Like
Say
that.
this is a story about Lil Hurricane. Before the trips to chasing chips and all the finer things. Before they say I sold my soul to get a diamond ring. See, on my soul, I never
sounded
fold, no, I
good
could
then,
never change.
shit.
Ain't no Havana 850, that shit gon' stay the same. Say I only went outside to see me and Jenny, man.
It do.
Meaning I didn't have no friends so I could conversate. It got to the point where I can go to school. Bitches
do.
laughing at me, picking on my shoes. What is sad for me, put me on the juice. Now I get a half and flip it by the two. Now I get a bag, but I can't split with you. Cause you left me in the past, but it's good for you. I put the city on my back, you put the hood on who? I know that all these niggas mad, but I'm comfortable. Just take your heart off, but these streets and ain't no love for you. I put my feelings on the beat, no, it's not usual. But see, I come from a church, bro. If you feeling hurt, then you gon' sing it till it hurts. Sing it till you done, Got it from the dirt, see. Turn from nothing to something, I put it in a story about the hurricane. Before the trips to chasing chips and all the finer things. Before they say I sold my soul to get a diamond ring. See, on my soul, I never fold, no, I could never change. Ain't no Havana 850, that shit gon' stay the same. So you gon' give me my respect. I heard you Insta famous, give a fuck about that check. I ain't get no sleep for all week, I need some rest. Come on my street with no heat, you get stretched. Damn, I'm feeling blessed. Damn, I'm feeling stressed. Every time I turn around, they putting me in mess. Niggas like to dress, they be switching sides. They be changing colors like that shit be tie-dye, okay. See, I just wanna get high. Let me smoke some trees so I can go straight to the sky, okay. See, I'm just trying to get by. Know I'm like a sea boy, I can whistle, I can spout. Feel like I'm defeated, but I know that I can pout. They say, give me a reason, bitch, I got it off the ground. And I didn't need a season, bitch, I did it in a drought. Hurricane, bring that rain, and they feeling every hour about the hurricane. Before the trips to chasing chips and all the finer things. Before they say I sold my soul to get a diamond ring. See, on my soul, I never fold, no, I could never change. Ain't no Havana 850, that shit gon' stay the same. Now I get a bad, but I can't split with you. Cause you left me in the past, but it's good for you. I put the city on my back, you put the hood on who? I know that all these niggas mad, but I'm comfortable. Know that all these niggas mad, but I'm comfortable.
Like that one?
I like all of them. He got Hot Boy on this one.
I need my alcohol, I need me some oil in me. Yeah, her hair dry, she need some oil in me. It's so hard not life for us. It's so hard not life for us. Started treat that we get treat. Instead of kiss ass, we get kicked. It's so hard not life for us. It's so hard not life for us. I put extensions on every stick. I put extensions on every bitch. It's so hard not life. I got too many hoes, I can't have no wife. Too many floors, I be damned if I write. Making too much money just to pop out. Sorry if I act out, no, I was raised better. Niggas lactose intolerant, way they avoiding cheddar. Nigga, get your cash right, that's right, bitch, you better. I been living the fast life. Well, I slow down, nigga, never. They ask for my past life, I just tell them it's a hard not life. Hey, so we put that thing when I help. Where I'm from is, bitch, you kill it, you kill. It's a hard not life. Honestly, I'm just being real. And it's sad to say I'm just being real. Cause it's a hard not life for us. It's so hard not life for us. Started treat that we get tricked. Started kiss ass, we get kicked. Cause it's so hard not life for us. It's so hard not life for us. I put extensions on every stick. I put extensions on every bitch. Cause it's so hard not life. Go, you know that fire in the heart gon' send smoke to the head. Only thing I run from is the floor, the sun, and the fair.
That must be Hot Boy verse.
Free coach was crazy on the fuck out with her son in the bed. But I can't do that though, no. These hoes be psycho like they believe in home that they mad. Okay, okay. Nobody had you like me, but I be too far gone by the time you get it. Okay, okay, okay. Just know that my trust running low if I ever get distant. So, got money on money on money, got bitches on bitches. You know, I want 4 girlfriends, I kick cat my heart for my snowing not to cross that line, we shoot like a free throw. He don't tell everybody what
he want 4 girlfriends, he Kit Kat his heart. You know how to Kit
Kit Kat break it for.
He go. If it ain't the tree, I'm running with Rico. If it ain't the tree, I'm running with Rico. It's so hard not life for us. It's so hard not life for us. Started treat that we but it's still changing when I read it. It's a hard night life.
That was cool. I feel like that was a song before.
It's a song called "It's a Hard Night Life."
You know what I'm saying? Like I think he made that song and then added Heartbreak. I don't know. This man got a song with no cap.
What's up with him anyway?
No cap?
Yeah.
He just dropped the album.
Yeah, but nobody really talk about him like they used to.
Red told me that my tape
He
it
not
out of
signed
10,
in
bitch,
yet.
that's what I needed. Cause I
He
done
was
came
doing good
fucking
before
far
that.
and worked too hard to just be decent. And I done played my cards and beat the odds to just be even. And I done ran it up and double back to be defeated. I say, I need a reason. Look into the sky like, Lord, is it really my season? Cause I know I've been tweaking. I had to take some time and figure out why I was dreaming. I jumped head first in the deep end. Legs work, but I'm sinking. Head hurt, but I'm thinking. Get bread first and I'm sleeping. No bread frame, I've been aching. My bread changed, you was flaking. So many trials and tribulations, felt like I would make it. I just got my patience. You gotta know your time coming, make it make sense. Got fake friends for your head with some nonsense. Just make bread, keep bread, and keep it. I know my time coming, I can tell because I'm patient. I can do so much, but you won't hit it against say shit. I just roll my blunt, I stuff the wood until it's breaking. I just want some fun, I just fly off inside my space. Yeah, I know my time coming, I just need some fucking patience. I go do so much, but you won't hit it against say shit. I just stuff my blunt, I stuff the wood until it's breaking. I want some fun, I wanna run inside my space.
Get high, long, roll up these plants, this what it take to succeed. Bad bitch from Philly, fuck the ones and blocked her just like MB. I'm not too tall, I make a call, my hop so easy to reach. Hey, fuck this instrumental, I wish that Fred Hart had a beat. So many clips, we make a movie, you never heard that we run. Even though we know the street don't love us, we stuck in them like speed bumps. Ever since that shit happened to Slim Max, my mama, I keep one. No one day I will be a star, you just keep praying for your son. Long as I'm free and alive, I'ma keep rising. These niggas chain for fame, they lame, it don't surprise me. Draco got life, my nigga explaining while I'm quiet. My pocket's fat as hell and these niggas on diets. Said I know my time coming, I can tell these niggas hating. I waited my turn, this shit come with grind and patience. I know that I'ma die real, know I'ma die faded. I left my mama house and I still right up in that vacant.
I know my time coming, I can tell because I'm patient. I can do so much, but you won't hit it against station. I just roll my blunt, I stuff the wood until it's breaking. I just want some fun, I just fly off inside my space. Yeah, I know my time coming, I just need some fucking patience. I go do so much, but you won't hit it against station. I just stuff my blunt, I stuff the wood until it's breaking. I want some fun, I wanna run inside my space.
What you feel about that? No cap, damn.
It was vibrant. Something to expect when you hear no cap on there like that. It wasn't nothing different. Ooh. That just got vids.
Front line.
Tuned up. So everybody. Everybody. Oh. Everybody, tell me why they ain't outside, but they scared probably. And I be thinking about when I die, but shit on everybody. Tell them fuck everybody, tell them I won't have problem. Better stay what you here for. We was touching real money, here come all the old kin from. Front line, boy, I promise I'm here for you. You know anything you need, you can call it. I know my problem, I give my heart if you need it. Don't see nada, real niggas always seem to see it. Bro, keep quiet, whole time you fighting. Somebody can't get no sleep, he been pure codeine. Even off a weed, say you got the shots, you need it. Ain't no help, I'm singing me like I ain't got no pain. Ain't no help, I'm sipping me like I ain't got no friends. Been no gins, been no blend, I been run them CM. They say I don't be outside. When I am, they be like, how time? It's the only thing that I know. Hey, city to city, fuck us outside. I know my granny think I'm worldwide. Know that I ain't worldwide. Truth be told, I got the worldwide. You push up black to black, try to shows. Mama, I don't drive. About y'all, cause I'm about mine. Ain't got no one on home. Just know this on everybody. Everybody, tell me why they ain't outside, but they get scared probably. And I be thinking about when I die, but shit on everybody. Tell them fuck everybody, tell them I won't have problem. So better stay what you here for. We was touching real money, here come all of your kin. And on front line, boy, I promise I'm here for you. You know anything you need, you can call on me.
Every time I see you, I get cozy. I don't wanna feel like I'm a trophy.
You don't have to show me out.
I'm sick of always calling.
You don't have to show me out.
But you won't be there in the morning.
I keep falling. I keep falling. Okay, you don't have to show me love. I've been starting to think that I work better off these jobs. Maybe if you leave, I probably won't even give a fuck. Only thing I need in this life is probably dogs. Shit, maybe a hug. I be with the gang. Big my abilities, quit to take a nigga brain. I swear they God given what he put up, let it rain. I'm a money bender, you can call a nigga ain't. Nigga say I can't. Ain't too much I can't do. Money made moves. Type of bitch you see on Shade Room. In my bedroom. I don't do much for the media. I feel like I made it out. She the type of bitch gon' eat it up and then I kick her out. See, I just want that fucking double R. Pull up like Richie Rich. If I put your bitch in double R, don't throw no hits and fit. And bro, don't mention me, that shit is odd. You know I'm fucking lit. Bitch, I'm bound to get that Audemars. Put dancers on my wrist. I've been thinking about it. Don't bring no cancer in this bitch. You got gas and light it. Don't even ask on some shit. It ain't by green, decline it. If she for me, recline it. I just need better weed. Nigga, stop fucking with that law. That shit amphetamine. You don't have to show me love. I've been starting to think that I work better off these jobs. Maybe if you leave, I probably won't even give a fuck. Only thing I need in this life is probably dogs. Shit, maybe a hug. I be with the gang. Big my abilities, quit to take a nigga brain. I swear they God given what he put up, let it rain. I'm a money bender, you can call a nigga ain't. Nigga say I can't. Ain't too much I can't do. Money made moves. Type of bitch you see on Shade Room. In my bedroom. I don't do much for the media. I feel like I made it out. She the type of bitch gon' eat it up and then I kick her out.
He ain't missed not one time.
Pull out like on Suave, showing shit without no lens.
Anything you need is coming. One of them.
These folks got to hear this shit.
Okay, life out. Oh, they wanna hear shots fired and bend down. You ain't never hear that Glock fire, get your head down, nigga. I can tell them boys ain't outside. We taught I'm in the cop more than Parasa. I can't tell that I've been to church, bitch, I love my heat. Y'all know it hurts, I need a turn to a dog for you. Let's tell the words, that bitch my ex, she told her what I beat her. Niggas know my granny raised, you think I know just how to train. Oh, what the fuck I look like? I got 13 cents, sisters out of fist fight. I been realized that I'm that nigga, so that want to hitchhike. And then I put her on the skrilla, she fell in love with his life. You forever hold me, but you won't never hold me, cause that's not really who I am. Bitch, I'm forever lonely, but find that shit that now, please. Fuck a fan, fuck a friend, them boys turn to Cody's. Bitch, I'm indulging in the sweet life. I keep indulging in the sweet life, like Zach and Cody. Meanwhile, LeBron, got no one to lean on but Cody. Like, what the fuck is happening? Shit fell the hood, but not the fam. That's my pun exactly. Bitch, I'm tryna make a couple mil before I make a little boy. But it's just out here getting cow. They can't take me little ones around the
All
school.
these spots he going to, I know all them spots.
Everybody know that. Everybody know that I found. All they wanna hear is shots fired and bend down. I bet you ain't never heard that Glock fire, put your head down, nigga. And she said I'm busy killing, then my head got bigger. Shit, I ain't mad, shots and tears, and then my pockets got bigger. Then my money got long, and he said it was part. She ain't say shit about this shit. And he said it paused, she ain't say shit about when it started.
What you think
But
about him?
I don't know nobody else that's doing this. He in his own lane. Like, especially his age. And if they is, they just don't sound like him. He got it, I ain't gonna lie.
Stop indulging in these drugs, this shit is not me. Ain't see my mom in like a month, that shit is not P. I keep on praying to the Lord, I hope he got me. I'ma keep on praying to the Lord, I hope he got me. Truth be told, I don't really know I can really go today. I'll never put that on my soul, bitch, you know it's okay. Cause I put chains all on my dog, that nigga roamed away. But I put chains all on my dog, that nigga flew away. I wanna rewind, just fuck a watch, but bitch, I need time. Should've told my dog, get off that block, you ain't got 3 lives. Oh, but I'm still tired. Shit ain't off, and bitch, I feel exhausted. It's sad to say I lost 3 niggas, still ain't see a coffin. Shit can't really hate Venom, bitch, I'm losing family. God forbid, nobody there, I hope you understand me. I'm low-key scared, my family tired, I put my hope in granny. But until then, I'm in the crib, you know real niggas in danger. I got this pain, it's on my palm, thinking it's my angels. Thinking about when I was young, with my auntie Mabel, and her fucked up cable. And I know that shit wasn't much, but that little shit that made us. Made us who we are. That's why I'm who I am. That's why I never scam. Quick to send my mammy out the road more than a couple years. Some shit just stick with you, some shit don't sit with you. I learned I love my freedom more than thick bitches, more than all hoes. You won't ever reach the dial tone, that's my phone call. You won't ever have to press 1, put that on God. Don't look alive, look to the sky. Realize that hurricane rain, that motherfucking rain.
Shit, 3 minutes.
Be out there been having wars with them pine cones and shit. BB guns and all, they. I got shot him leg with a big pellet.
You talking about y'all?
And this nigga evil, bro, cause he was not sparing shit. You know, you spare your little brother, no, bro. That was from Auntie Mabel shit with the scooter. Nigga, this one when a nigga threw a stick in my shit, right?
Bro, we'll be fighting, bro, cause he done used to sneeze, bro.
He did get.
Bro, he done got choked. He done went to sleep at least 3 or 4 times, bro.
Came back from school, these niggas put my turtle in the highway.
That was gay.
Yeah.
But that nigga pawned my iPod.
No, I sold that bitch at school.
Yeah.
For $5. I thought I was rich, nigga. Thought that was that shit.
And my necklace.
Leave you, bro. This is my motherfucking savior. Well, Deacon Samuel stayed at. That nigga had a banana tree in the back of my yard. I grew my first little banana tree in the back. They fucked this whole little garden up. That's sad. No cap. And then my oldest sister, her daddy, he owned this restaurant up here. I don't got any know or nothing like that. He fucked with shit so damn heavy. I think that nigga locked up though, or on the run or some shit like that. But yeah, his wife and them boy, they own that little restaurant right there. They just put their little shack over there too by it. They snapped Vicky, yep.
They ain't showing us none of this shit. They just showing us his back.
Boy, that's some good ass food on bro. That shit ain't open. Boy, that shit so fucking good. I'm talking about a burger for real, nigga. Like this a truck stop, bro. So like they making real burgers in that bitch. And Uncle Frank's store, that's my Uncle Frank's store right there. Real shit, like this is like this, gang.
Let's go, Michi. That's your turn right now.
Pace.
Too loud, addicted. Give my heart to anyone and everyone, just hoping they can fix it. If she gon' fall, cause she think I'm her ticket. I go through shit up on the daily. They see jobs and just say wisdom tripping. I had this dream about 1,000 times. We go from camera lights to candle lights. Don't ask me why I'm clutching on. Every time I'm sober, I just think about dying. Ain't get no closure, TJ died. I hit his phone like, bro, don't let me down. For what they told you, life been getting wild. The shit they said about this said it done, that maybe I won't have a child. Cause when you up, the only place is down. It's sad my mama won't even see me smiling. Down the upper 100,000. Don't move too fast, baby. Just don't move too fast, baby. Just don't move too fast, baby. Just take it slow. Nigga, if you broke the fish, you ask who got the city hot. Nigga, they gon' say I did it. I'm quick to kill a nigga touch, game no more like Diddy. We don't show no pity. 2 moves, leave him shitty. Touch who, bitch, you silly. In my hood, I'm a Billy. Sad to say I'm still dreaming. Old wound still bleeding. New hole still leaving. Whole gang got a 60. Ride flowing while I'm cleaning. Niggas try to take the dog out. Whole time I'm still breathing. Whole time I'm making money. Whole time niggas won. Whole time niggas bumps. Whole time niggas none. We was out there having fun. Was out there having fun. Was out there having fun. Move too fast, baby. Move too fast, baby. Move too fast, baby. Move too fast, baby. Just don't move too fast, baby. Just don't move too fast. Rick ain't really right. Rick ain't really right. Rick ain't even right.
You got a song SCG Him. SCG Him. That's another. I think he from Broward. SCG Him from Broward, I think.
Focused on my eye. I've been focused on my See, I've been focused on my See, I've been focused on my better goals. Got a better pole. Now I'm focused on this better dough. Got a better hoe. I ain't even got no felonies, but ride with felonies. Stay safe is what they telling me, but you ain't helping me. See, I've been trying to find a better me. See, I'm so happy me. I've been focused on my melody for what they telling me. I've been focused on my clarity for what they telling me. Trying to get about the streets and switch up my mentality, but I'm like, nigga, oh, no. Why they leeching on me? Why everybody leaving on me? Got a nigga so dumb. Bitch, I'm closer to my dreams. I can give a fuck about what it seems. I'm like, nigga, so what?
Brainstorming, thinking how I'm gonna make this last forever. You ain't gotta question this with my brother, know I'm about whatever. Every time I stayed down and focused, I ran up some cheddar. Rolls Royce umbrellas, just know stormy days don't last forever. Know they wanna see me fall, but I'm way closer to my dreams. I want this forever, but if you wanna leave, by all means. Keep grinding, they won't bring you flowers into the choir scene. I keep this up, one day I'ma be on the cover of magazines. Hope I don't lose focus, them men's right in my face. I don't think I made it till I get my mama new place. Missing Lil Steve, wish you with me, we had dreams to get paid. Bunk beds in the living room, it made me hate where we
Been
stayed.
focused on my better goals, got a better pole. Now I'm focused on this better dough, got a better hoe. I ain't even got no felonies, but ride with felonies. Stay safe is what they telling me, but you ain't helping me. See, I've been trying to find a better me. See, I'm so happy me. I've been focused on my melody for what they telling me. I've been focused on my clarity for what they telling me. Thinking about the streets and switch up my mentality, but I'm like, nigga, oh, yeah. Okay, out to a different picture. Mama, I been focused on that. I hope you don't see me different. Right now I'm focused on the top, ain't even see the kitchen. Walked in the crib and grabbed on my ain't even clean the dishes. Done entertain the bitches, this LP edition. I'm just tryna focus on myself, I got a rainy vision. Really, I can't even call for help, I gotta pay attention. Love is a hate invention, love is a hate invention. So I gotta stay focused. Part of me still feel like I'm chosen, so all like I'm golden. Act like you know this. Tell them niggas act like they know this. Say act like you know better goals, got a better pose. Now I'm focused on this better dough, got a better hoe. I ain't even got no felonies, but ride with felonies. Stay safe is what they telling me, but you ain't helping me. See, I've been trying to find a better me. See, I'm so happy me. I've been focused on my melody for what they telling me. I've been focused on my clarity for what they telling me. So they get about the streets and switch up my mentality, but I'm like, nigga, oh, no.
Know about the struggle, don't know about the steps, they don't know about the hustle. I got it out the mud, nigga, got it off the muscle. And I'm straight from Florida, so you know I like the rubble. I'm not these other rappers, I be flowing out on mumble. The youngin' got the sack, I run it back so I can bumble. See, I done got the pack, but I be chill, see, I stay humble. I got it from my family, taking every around my uncle. I tell them I stay humble, cause they feel like I done been here before. Like I don't even write no words, they all come to the soul. They haven't changed, about that fast, like diamonds and shorts. I've been getting to this money, I ain't worried about horse. I ain't worried about no horse, but getting faded. Just have a plan and call my mama, say I made it. Nobody fuck with the youngin' when I was dated. Now I'm about to ball and I know these niggas hate it. I didn't know about the humble, yeah,
That boy sliding. Where's that song at?
So you know I like to rumble. I'm not these other rappers, I be throwing out the mumble. The youngin' got the sack like running back so I can fumble. I got it off the mud, nigga, got it off the muscle. And I'm straight from Florida, so you know I like to rumble. I say I'm straight from Florida, you know I got that water. I'm dripping Aquafina, so you know I got that water. They know that I be sipping, they know that I be tripping. You know that I be smoking, and your mango keep you talking. These niggas talking crazy.
His boy sliding.
These niggas talking crazy, put the block and we gon' hit it. These niggas really want it, I be snapping, y'all be capping. My niggas really acting 40 pounders, you be clapping. Love, yeah, I be snapping for the one time. Freestyle, it's off the fucking mind, I want the good vibe. These niggas talking crazy, I'ma get it, say we work in. Nigga got that work out, niggas never clock out. Say that fucking
Hey, that boy was sliding
Chronicles
though.
of Havana.
Pay me in full or don't pay me at all.
I think this whole.
Don't know about hate. No about hate, man. No. 5 shit, you know what I'm saying? Long way, don't wait. They don't know about Havana, don't know about the struggle, don't know about them stamps, and they don't know about the
That
hustle.
can't be Miami.
That's the country somewhere.
Yeah.
See, I got it out the mud,
The
nigga
first
got
video
it off
with his
the
folks
muscle.
was the country.
And I'm straight from Florida, so you know I like to rumble. I'm not these other rappers, I be flowing, I don't
Oh,
But you know,
that's the song.
You know, Florida got
That's the song.
the
Is
one I
this
said
a
with the song at.
yeah.
It's just a different flow. It's
Yeah,
slower.
it's slower.
You know that could be somewhere. You know, in Florida they got country looking spots though. Just not in Miami like that.
Got that sack like running back so I can't fumble. Say I done got that pack, but I be chill, say I stay humble. I got it from my families, hanging around my uncles. Man, I tell them I stay humble, cause it feel like I done been here before. Like I don't even write down verses, they all come from the soul. Been having dreams about that fast life, diamonds and shows. See, I been getting to this money, I ain't worried about hoes. See, I been facing all my problems, I ain't worried about clothes. See, I been getting to this comments, trying to split with my bros. See, it's that real shit.
Havana by
This shit come
Tallahassee.
from the soul. Nigga, you don't kill
Yeah,
shit.
country.
Tell me why you tucking that pole. Say I'm from the north. Niggas like to act like they know, but no, you don't know. I'm not trying to stay on the phone, I'm out with the bros. I'm just trying to stay with the flow. Leave me alone. You said leave me alone. They don't know about Havana. They don't know about the struggle. Don't know about them stamps, and they don't know about the hustle. Nigga got it out the mud. I got it off the muscle.
He just slowed
And
it
I'm
down.
straight from Florida, so you know I like the rumble. I'm not these other rappers. I be flowing, I don't mumble. The youngin' got that sack like running back, so I can't fumble. Say I done got that pack, but I be chill, say I stay humble. Hanging around my family, hanging around my uncles. Now I'm in Miami, hanging with them thumpers. You don't need no plan B, I ain't tryna fuck you. Okay, pull up on you random, put it in a double. Get my bag doubled, fuck it, get a triple. Ain't no man in the middle. Niggas sweet like Skittles, wisdom kinda different. He straight from the trenches. Say I'm from the north. Niggas like to act like they know, but no, you don't know. I'm not tryna stay on the phone, I'm out with the bros. I'm just tryna stay with the flow. Leave me alone. You said leave me alone. No, I'm from Havana. I'm from Havana. I'm from Havana. They don't know, no, I'm from Havana. I'm from Havana.
He say he from Havana.
That's why I switched it up. I say Chronicles of Havana.
Hurricane, bring that motherfucking rain.
I'm not gonna lie. This shit got it in the bag. Don't cry.
Don't cry. If you're not the one for me, don't cry. It's a big world and I'm just a small fry. You a good girl and I need about 5. She said I stay rude, but you know I stay high. And I'm just being honest. I told my girl I don't got hoes, I just got options. Every time I go get on the road, she tryna start shit. I tell her stop it. You know this loud shit too toxic. I tell her bop it. You want no fights, let me give you something to start that argument. You want some love, someone to hug, like her father did. I'm sorry, girl, I'm not the one. Can't seem to treat you right. Deep in the night, I hit her once, but I can't do it twice. Hop in the scat pack, get on Snapchat, we on demon time. Hard in this backpack full of dogs, I'm feeling free tonight. I might just snap back with a thought and no OGs at night. I'ma hit your phone when I get home, make sure you sleeping right. Cause I know I do wrong. I can't open up, so I put it in a song. I hope you the one, but I got like 3 more. And it's not hard to fall it off when you know that I'm the done. Just don't cry when I'm done. If you're not the one for me, don't cry. It's a big world and I'm just a small fry. You a good girl and I need about 5.
He do,
She said I stay rude, but you
most of his songs been like most of these type of vibe. Like some like you said, Rod Wave be on.
Mm-hmm.
Like shit. I don't even listen to Rod Wave because of that. He make depressive music. At least he kind of play with it, but shit. I haven't. The first one I felt like was a little different. That first one. The rest of the music was like. Huh?
You talking about Giannis?
Yeah.
When I blew up.
You know I stay high and I'm just being honest. I told my girl I don't got hoes, I just got options. Every time I go get on the road, she tryna start shit. I tell her stop it. You know this loud shit too toxic. I tell her about it. Cause I feel like oh, it's toxic. Look at where I'm from. You don't see her now.
She done put eardrops in her eye to cry. Eye drop. That tear went down too perfect.
I'm just confused as to why I haven't heard from you. It's been 3 days. You haven't called me. You haven't texted me back.
I'm about to put that on
you
my
haven't
status.
answered none of my FaceTimes. Like, where are you at? And what?
What happened?
Girls really be like that.
What?
Like that.
Like, oh, what she said?
2K24.
Damn, okay, this shit hard.
Okay, this is a different flow.
This y'all gas, on the ass, can't take shit out the pedal. Hey, shot, hold you forever. Hey, I was fried, I'm back in the battle. Run on doubt, I swear I tried, but shit, I can hold it together. All niggas taste is metal. Come through flames. I'm side, got a venom to these jobs, can't love on nobody. Cause I don't show nobody love, I'm full of narcotics. And I feel like they full of me, been this way since 13. If you with me, don't leave. Hey, punk, if you not, then you can stay. Dropping back, this shit ain't safe. Brand new jeans, these bitches bait. I have fun, cause I got funds. You ain't got funds, you can't play. Come through big ass guns, shit sound like a bomb, but it's okay.
That's crazy,
okay.
man.
I might say I'm fine, but shit, I ain't okay. It's okay. I'ma press decline if shit ain't by no K. Either or, I'ma pop out with this hammer like I'm Thor. I fight evil with this sword. I touch money when I'm bored, it ain't enough. I can't stop until my cheese and cover the floor. Type of bread I make, I take a nigga head before I even touch that toy. See, I play ball, but don't do court. Remember the days when it was sport. Now I got fame, nigga gon' come through flame and shit for sport. This y'all gas, on the ass, can't take shit out the pedal. Hey, shot, hold you forever. Hey, I was fried, I'm back in the battle. Run on doubt, I swear I tried, but shit, I can hold it together. All niggas taste is metal. Come through flames. I'm side, got a venom to these jobs, can't love on nobody. Cause I don't show nobody love, I'm full of narcotics. And I feel like they full of me, been this way since 13. If you with me, don't leave.
How you feel about that one?
That was different. It's like soon as I say something,
Yeah.
it just manifests and happen next, right?
Uh-huh.
Every time on the artist video.
Alright, this is the last one. 4:30. 1 year.
Wait, hold on. He did. Wait, hold on.
What?
Hold on. I want to see that one.
No chaser?
I want to see this one.
RNW B-Slime?
Yeah,
It's 2 years ago.
I just want to see it.
Now I'm
What
just
else?
letting you know.
You don't know just how it feels. I'ma tryna go and get them feels. When you stack it up, this shit get real.
Boy, that look like Florida for real.
See, you don't know just how it feels. Granny, she not struggling, but she won't pay the bills. Now your siblings hustling, they tryna get a meal. I'm gonna do it differently, say I'm gonna do it legal. Now he ride on different shit, he smoking on them pre-rolls. It's not easy, I just teams had to go through a
She
journey.
drunk. He trying to push up on her. She pushed his ass back. She tired of his shit.
But nobody said the road would be easy. Remember walking to the store, head peasy. Now a nigga going off like it's so great. But I get so much hate. You don't know how it feels to me. No, you don't know how it feels to me. I said you don't know. I said you don't know. I said you don't know. I said you don't know how it feels to be me. You don't know how it feels
Go cop a rollie today, that's just the way of my life. You can't get left in the dust if you can never get right. Why always seem so uptight? Just wanna please you tonight. Stop being all the way on the road. Just thinking about the past, got me in a hole. I'm up in Colorado, riding down the slopes. Just wanna call your phone to let you know. Wish you were here.
B-Slime be hitting though.
Looking at my peers, I gotta get to the door. You said you love me, girl, what you lying for? While I'm alone, girl, you just wouldn't know
how it feels to me. No, you don't know how it feels to me. I said you don't know. I said you don't know. I said you don't know. I said you don't know how it feels to be me. You don't know how it feels in these streets. I said you don't know. I said you don't know.
That's how the old heads really be looking.
Was that him that pulled the trigger and shot the person he thinking about or something? Because it kept flashing in different people's eyes. What's the last one you wanted to play?
I was gonna play For Dirty because
play it.
It got 700K, and that's a year ago.
Boy, that boy always shooting at the park. God damn.
At least it's a different park every time.
Yeah, now this look like Miami.
Okay. I just wanna make a hit, but I don't wanna lie. Loki wanna take a flick, but I'm kinda shy. I know they been talking shit, but I don't pay it mind. Cause I know I ain't spending shit when it's time to sign. I was a shorty, granny say eat your green beans. Now niggas here told 40s and them bitches that hold green beans. It's not important, but everyone don't got big dreams. We the majority, niggas tryna make ends meet. Had to mature to realize that it's a shit creep. And life will send you up that bitch if you ain't got no heat. But it's okay, I can stay focused. These is hard times, hard life, I bet you notice. Keep a hard grind for each round and make me golden. Stay in your own lane or room, man, I make you lose it. I say, calm down and then get groovy. Catch your bankroll, that's enough to get you moving. You wanna get some more, then hold it down and shit get stupid. Cause niggas on bread, gotta hold some false fans. And fake friends that be tryna shake.
That's the scenario.
And they come back for real. When they leave, when you see niggas do that type of shit, that mean that's your cue.
Too.
Hey, I gotta go. Once you see them, like, I'll be back. Oh, they coming back. And I'll be gone before they get here.
I just wanna make a hit, but I don't wanna lie. Loki wanna take a
no lie, I don't mean to stop. But this boy Dre's been through so much trials and tribulation. I don't know if it's his feelings and his locks at the same time, but I don't see his Dre's go through so many different phases. Hanging on for life, looking healthy, then that boy, it is still hanging in there.
I know they been talking shit, but I don't pay it mind. Cause I know I ain't spending shit when it's time to stop.
Oh, he came back.
Sometimes you gotta figure it out. And that takes some dedication. I know that you can make it. See, I just wanna show you how. Listen, I fucked over 20 bands just for being friends. And then I lost a couple friends just for being stingy. And then I tried to make amends, they ain't wanna hear me. I say fuck them, I can't trust them, get this money now. So why it my fault? But them honeys, they won't change. So you just stick to the goal. I swear that I see fame in you. I know how it goes. They gon' try to throw the blame on you. You turn around and everybody acting brand new.
I'm trying to figure
so
out.
much going on.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out.
What's the storyline?
Yeah.
Cause did the dude on the basketball court ever came back?
He in the crib.
Noggin in the ant food.
That's him?
I'm just trying to turn the projects to a Cancun. You think I'm a lie, you'll be a damn fool. I
think he about to catch him.
Niggas say he'll come back since it was daylight.
I know they been talking shit.
That's him.
Oh, you thought it was the Uber.
Cause I know I ain't spending shit when it's time to
The
slide.
window drop.
That is the Uber driver. Oh shit. Bro, what the fuck? See, now I'm mad.
What you rate 1 through 10?
He get a 10. This song was different. It was hard.
Yeah, man.
But he giving us cliffhanger. Is it a part 2 to this video?
I don't know.
I'm trying to see the storyline.
Did Jig get clapped or what?
Wait, hold on. It's still more minutes left. Let's see.
No, it's dark. It's black screen.
Hold on now. Let's just see what happened. If he get clapped right when the light come back on, let's see. Oh yeah, nah, it's there. Well, I guess he got in that Uber ride and got dropped off.
Want y'all motherfuckers to subscribe before on TVO. Don't give a fuck. Better subscribe, motherfucker. If not, security gonna get your ass. Fuck.